isang internship ay pilit at naniniwala sa inyong mga kakayahan. Kaya kami ay hindi kami titigil na gumawa ng mga programa upang lalo pang ginamit ang inyong mga kakayahan at palaguin ang inyong mga kabuhayan.
Ang paunang BIP ay patunay na kami sa PA Properties ay kasama ninyo upang matupad at maabot ang inyong mga pangako.
Nandito tayo muli sa opisyal na pagtatapos ng ating Global Incentive Program para sa taong 2023. Bilang inyong chairman and from the bottom of my heart, binabati ko ang lahat ng ating top performers of 2023. Baka tayo iniiwan ng mga taong mahal natin. Kasi may bagong dadating na mas okay, na mas mamahali tayo. Alright. Salamat sa inyong pagsisikap na makabenta. Salamat sa inyong pagtitiis at pagtulaga na maabot ang karangalan ng annual awards. Salamat sa pagmamahal real estate selling profession. You all deserve the glory and honors for being our sales partners. Ang galing talaga.
You have prepared to fight for the world and you have put your best foot forward. And you're putting in your 100% effort and pinakita nyo what will be for you. So together, we can conquer and meet any challenges that comes your way. And here's the successful 2024 and beyond.
It is in the spirit that I congratulate everyone. But you have what it takes to be a champion, despite the setbacks. We all have emerged victorious in providing hope for the Filipino people. Now, let us all face 2024 with a proud heart. Thank you so much again. Maganda kayong lahat. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much.
Napakabilis ng panahon ni Yanni, tama? What a fantastic recall of last year's annual awards, and I am very much excited and eager to know this year's awardees and of course the names that everyone would like to hear.
Yes, indeed, Miss Carla. Everyone is too excited to know the recipients of the 2024 annual awards.